Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Lily and Max English. I am Lily.
And I am Max. Hello, friends.
We are laughing because we are just so happy to see you. We are so glad you are here with us today. This is your favorite digital companion podcast. Here, learning English is easy, fun, and completely zero pressure.
That is right. Zero pressure. You can relax, grab a drink, and just listen. If you want a digital companion to practice English with, please hit the subscribe button now. It helps us a lot.
Yes, please subscribe. So, Max, how are you today? You look very happy.
I'm very happy, Lily. The weather is beautiful today. The sun is shining, and I have my favorite drink. I am drinking a huge iced coffee. What about you?
Ooh, iced coffee sounds good. I am drinking hot black tea with a little bit of milk. It makes me feel very warm and cozy.
That is very you, Lily. Always warm and cozy.
Yes, that is true. So today our topic is the weekend. I love the weekend.
Me too. The weekend is the best time of the week.
Exactly. So Max, tell me about your Saturday. What did you do?
Well, you know me, Lily. I love to be active and I love to be outside. On Saturday, I woke up very early. I woke up at 6 a.m.
Wow, 6 a.m. on a Saturday? That is too early for me.
I know. But I am a photographer and the morning light is the best. So I took my camera and drove to the beach. I wanted to take pictures of the sunrise.
Oh, that sounds so beautiful. Was the sunrise nice?
It was amazing. The sky was pink, orange, and purple. After taking pictures, I went surfing. The water was cold, but I had so much fun.
Surfing in the morning! You always have so much energy.
Yes, but after surfing, I was so hungry. I was starving. So I walked to a small food stand near the beach and bought a big, warm hot dog.
Yum! A hot dog after swimming is the best thing ever.
Right? But Lily, you will not believe what happened next.
Oh no, what happened?
I sat on a wooden bench to eat my hot dog. I took one small bite. Just one bite. Suddenly a huge bird, a giant seagull, flew down from the sky.
No way!
Yes! The seagull took my hot dog right out of my hand and flew away.
Oh my gosh, Max. I am so sorry, but that is so funny. Did it take the whole hot dog?
The whole thing. The bread, the meat, the ketchup, everything. I just sat there with an empty hand looking at the sky.
Poor Max. That is a very bad bird. What did you do?
I had to buy another hot dog. The shop owner laughed at me too.
That makes sense. That is a great story. At least you got some beautiful photos before the bird attacked your breakfast.
True. What about you, Lily? What did you do on Saturday? I hope no birds attacked your food.
No birds for me. My Saturday was very different from yours. I did not wake up at 6 a.m. I woke up at 10 a.m.
Wow, 10 a.m. You really love to sleep.
I do. Sleep is very important. After I woke up, I decided to try a new hobby. I watched a video on YouTube about baking. So I tried to bake whole wheat bread.
Oh, baking bread. That sounds difficult. Are you a good baker?
Well, I thought it was easy. The woman in the video made it look very simple. She mixed the flour, the water, and the yeast. So I did the same thing. But it was a big mess.
Uh-oh. What happened?
I dropped the heavy bag of flour. The white flour went everywhere. It was in my hair, on my face, and all over the kitchen floor. My kitchen looked like a winter wonderland. It looked like snow.
Ha ha ha. A snowstorm in your kitchen. Did you clean it up?
Yes, it took a long time to clean, but I did not stop. I put the bread in the oven. I waited for 1 hour. The kitchen smelled really good.
That is the best smell. Did the bread taste good?
Well, I took it out of the oven. It looked beautiful and brown. But when I tried to cut it with a knife, it was completely hard. It was like a rock.
Ha ha ha, rock. Oh no, did you eat it? Did you break your teeth? Ha ha ha.
I tried to eat one small piece, but it was too hard. My dog looked at it, smelled it, and walked away. Even my dog did not want my bread.
That is so funny. But hey, trying new things is great. I am proud of you for trying. Next time, you will do better, and next time I will come over and be your taste tester.
You are so nice, Max. Yes, next time it will be much better. So that was Saturday. How was your Sunday?
My Sunday was not quiet at all. In the afternoon, I met my good friend David. He is married and has 3 small children and a big dog.
Oh, wow. 3 kids and a dog. That sounds very busy.
It was! I brought my camera to take family photos for them in the park, but the kids were running everywhere. The dog was chasing the kids. David was chasing the dog. It was totally chaotic.
Did you take any good photos in the chaos?
Yes, it was hard work. I had to run with them, make funny faces, and make silly noises to get the kids to look at the camera.
You are such a good friend, Max. I can imagine you making silly faces.
Thank you! When I showed David the photos, he was so happy. His wife almost cried because the photos were so natural. Even though I was very tired, it made my heart feel so full. I think taking photos for people I love is a great job.
Aw, Max, that is so sweet. That is a wonderful way to spend a Sunday.
Exactly. Sometimes chaotic moments make the best memories. How was your Sunday, Lily?
Sunday was a very happy day for me, too. I spent time with my family. In the morning, I went to the farmer's market with my mom.
Oh, I love the farmer's market. What did you buy?
We bought lots of fresh things. We bought red strawberries, some green apples, and sweet honey. Oh, and I bought a big bunch of sunflowers.
Sunflowers. Those are my favorite flowers. They're so bright and yellow.
Mine too. They look like little suns. They make the house look so happy. My mom and I walked around, talked, and drank coffee. It was very peaceful.
That sounds like a perfect morning. Family time is so precious.
It really is. In the afternoon, I put the sunflowers in a vase on my table. Then I sat on my balcony, drank my tea, and read a very good book. It was a very quiet and relaxing Sunday.
I totally agree. Wow. Our weekends were so different.
Yes, they were. Let's see. You had a crazy early beach morning, a giant hungry seagull, surfing, and chaotic family photos with kids and a dog.
And you had a long sleep, a snowstorm of flour in your kitchen, rock-hard bread, fresh strawberries with your mom, and bright yellow sunflowers.
Yes, different weekends, but both were very good. We did things we love with people we care about.
That makes sense. That is the secret to a great weekend.
Yes, it is. Well, it is time for us to ask you, our wonderful listeners.
Yes, we want to hear from you. Please tell us in the comments, what did you do last weekend? Was your weekend active and crazy like mine? Or was it relaxing and cozy like Lily's?
Did you go to the beach? Did you go to the market? Did you try to bake bread? Please tell us.
Yes, write your story in the comments. We love to read them.
And please listen carefully. Do not worry about grammar. Do not worry about spelling. We do not judge here. Mistakes just mean you are trying and learning.
Exactly. Just write like you're talking to a friend, because we are your friend.
You are doing a great job on your English journey. Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep smiling.
If you liked our talk today, please give us a like. and share this podcast with your family and friends.
Thank you so much for spending your time with Lily and Max English. Have a beautiful day, everyone.
Bye, guys. See you next time.
Bye-bye.